As an aged care chef, it's important to stay up to date with the industry and be inspired every day. At Unilever Food Solutions, we aim to support and inspire chefs. We connect with best practice experts in the industry to bring you the latest aged care news, trends and advice in a carefully curated monthly newsletter. Subscribe to Refresh Aged Care newsletter today and get recipes specially developed for aged care kitchens, product news and all the industry latest straight to your inbox. You can also visit ufs.com anytime to access a wealth of resources for aged care chefs. Go to Chef Inspiration and select Aged Care Refresh to find information on menu planning, texture-modified food, nutrition, training videos, and lots more. You can also access a database of delicious recipes developed for aged care kitchens under the Recipes tab. Select Aged Care, then filter by meal occasion, cuisine, or protein to find just what you need. You can even save your favourite recipes for easy access in the future. Just go to the profile icon and click Create Account to use this great functionality. So get inspired. Subscribe to the Refresh newsletter today at ufs.com.